This is me again. This is Austin, and this morning our training is going to be centered on how to create listing in HTML. And let's just jump right into our coding this morning. Just like we have been doing earlier on, we just want to now create a new HTML file. We come to the training, which is the folder. Under the training, you now go to this box here that says new file, and you do that, and we give it a name. Now let us call it list dot html, and we'll do that. Once we have done that, then the next step we want to take is to create a template. And how do we create a template? The other time I told you, you put your hand on the shift key, then on the tab that says number 1, and you press, and then you say enter. Now we have created our template, our generic template. Then the next thing we now want to just go straight into creating a list. In HTML we have three kinds of lists. We have the ordered list, the unordered list, and the descriptive list. Today we will be creating both the ordered and the unordered list, so that we'll see how it looks like. Now, how do we create the ordered on the unordered list? First thing you have to first of all do, always remember that in HTML you are always talking about your tag. Whatever you want to do must always be in between a tag. So you put your hands on your shift key and your left down on what you create to create a tag. And the first way you want to create an unordered list is what your UL, and you close the tag. Then you now press enter. Then from there now you now begin to create your list. For us to create our list now, we'll now put our LI like this, and you say enter. Now we want to create a list of foods. In where I come from, we have a list of foods, so we'll start with a rice. I put rice here, RICE. That is the first list of food. Then the second list, you put your LI, and you do this, and you create another list of food. You put beans, 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 and you come like that. You put the third list, you say enter, and you do this, and you say LI again. You say your LI again, and you close. And now we say let's say put a bread, BREAD. Then the fourth one, you create a fourth list and say LI again, and you do this, and let's say we'll say yam, YAM. Now these are the list of food that you have created, and under the LI you give it a heading. Let's give it a heading of H2, and now give it what heading I say list of food, LIST, list of foods, FOODS, list of foods. Now we have created what we call an unordered list. Now let's save, Control S, and go and reveal and see how it looks like in the browser. So I come here, I want to see what I have done. I highlight the list, and I say what reveal in Explorer. I say the reveal in Explorer to see how the list looks like, and I come and double click on this, and you can see that this is the list of food. We have been able to create a list of food, and it's called an unordered list of food. But if you go through it, you can see the reason why it's called an unordered list of food is because it has the symbol of these shapes here of a period dot. That is called, why it's called an unordered list of food. Now we will go and back and create what we call a ordered list of food. We go back to the HTML, to the VS Code, and now we want to create what we call a ordered list of food. You come here like this, and you do this, the same thing here. You now say your close up your tag, but now because it's an ordered list of food, you use your OL like this, and you do this, and you press enter. Then let's say states in Nigeria. That is what we want to create now, and you say list like this. You say, let's say we say Lagos State, you come like this, you come and you say Imo State, you come and you say LI, and you do this, and you say Imo State, STATE. You come and do your Imo State, and you do this, and they say LI again, and let's say you say Ogun State, Ogun State, CATE, then you come here and do this one, another li, and you say Osun State, AS UN Osun State STATE. Now we have created a list of, well, let me add one more state to make it 5, and let's say we say Edo State, I say Edo State. Now these are the list of states in Nigeria now, but is what we call ordered list. So now let us save like this and go and check what we have done and see why we call it an ordered list. Now you can see why it is called an ordered list. It has this one has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now I have to go and put the heading, because the heading is not there. Then I come under here now and I put the H2 like this, and I say the lists of state, STAT, state in Nigeria, IA. I do this and I come, let us go and refresh and see it, and it says the list of states in Nigeria. So now this is just a simple and short video of how to create a list in HTML. This is what we call the unordered list, and this is what we call the ordered list. Like I said, it's a short video. I just want to give us an introduction of how to create lists in HTML. Thank you for viewing the training. I just want you to go down and just click the subscribe button, and also click the notification button, so as I continue to create more videos, you will get to see the videos. Thank you very much.